shit. My suggestion is to keep your distance, 'cause right now I'm dangerous. We've all felt like shit and been treated like shit. All those motherfuckers wanna step up. I hope you know I bang a chainsaw. Just get your ass raw. And then my day keeps going this way, I just like break some of this.